Find or read reviews that people are talking about MOZC, 168 Languages AI Translation Earbuds, Bluetooth 5.4 Headphones Translator. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Futuristic AI Translator Earbuds, step into the future with next-gen translation earbuds that redefine global communication. Effortlessly switch between real-time translation, crystal-clear calls, and premium music with one sleek device. Engineered for comfort and style, the ultra-lightweight design hugs your ears for all-day use, while smart touch controls put powerful features at your fingertips. Your ultimate tool for travel, business, and beyond. AI-powered 4-in-1 smart translator earbuds, unlock a world without language barriers. These cutting-edge earbuds fuse real-time offline translation, free speech mode, immersive speaker mode and touch mode in one sleek design. Powered by advanced AI, they support 168 languages instantly, perfect for globetrotters, international business, and seamless cross-cultural connection. One device, endless possibilities. Epic 50-hour battery powerhouse, conquer your day with translation earbuds built for endurance. Get up to 8 hours of non-stop use per charge, and power up to 50 hours with the ultra-fast magnetic charging case. Roam freely within a 15-meter range with zero dropouts. Whether you're jet-setting, on back-to-back meetings, or vibing to music, these earbuds keep you connected, translating, and thriving. No interruptions, just pure performance. Instant real-time multilingual translation, break language barriers like never before. These next-gen AI translation earbuds use cutting-edge natural language processing to capture your voice instantly, auto-structure your sentences, and deliver smooth, real-time translations. No awkward pauses, no delays. It's like speaking every language fluently, letting you communicate effortlessly, naturally, and confidently across the globe. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.